Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 12R and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down to find this ringtone and other sounds section and tap on ringtone. And as you can see here, we've got some sections from which we can choose the ringtone from, so the classic themes, the aquamorphic themes, and on this device. So basically, if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, you will be able to choose it and set it as your ringtone. But let me choose something from the system themes, and let me pick maybe aquamorphic themes. And in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, we have to simply tap on it. And I forgot that we are in the silent mode. So the thing we have to do in this device, which is really surprising, we have to use this bar, kind of. It has like 3 positions, so the up, bottom, and middle one. And if you want to turn on the volume, you have to put it on the bottom option. So just slide it, and okay. Right now we've got the ring. Oh wow, okay. Let me volume it down just a little bit. And this is how it works, so simply tap on the option and decide whether you like it or not. And if you like it, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here and also right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.